Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell. You are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. I love all your comments you've been leaving. Hope I've been answering to the best of my knowledge. Today, I'll be grilling some party wings inside the PowerXL. They was whole and everything. As you see, I just cut them up and everything, made them nice and small and everything. I will be wiping them off and everything, getting them ready. Today, my ingredients is I'll be using a little olive oil. I'll be using a little garlic salt, some regular salt, some seasoned salt, and some black pepper. Just a few items, that's all you need and to start this, and I'll be seasoning up and everything. Okay, I'm gonna set this on grill. Right there, and I'm gonna set temperature 375, and I'm gonna just set these minutes for like 45 minutes. Set it for 45 minutes. I'm gonna press start. And while it's preheating, I'm gonna get started and just wipe it off and everything, get it ready. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour a little olive oil season on there right quick, like this. Just season that up like that. And you can use any kind of season you want to use. You know, when you cook, most of the season come off, so you want it to be nice and good and taste a little of the season. Put a little season on it like that. We're gonna mix all that up, get it nice and good. And put the black pepper on. Just like that. Then on what I'm gonna do, I'm pour a little olive oil on there. And just pour a little so when I mix it up. Just a little. I'm mixing all that up. And I'm just gonna mix it up with my hand just like this. Mix it up nice and good, just like that. Like that. And I'm gonna move this stuff out the way and wash my hands again, and I'll be right back. Okay, say add food, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna raise it up, and I'm gonna just start putting this in just like this. Put it in like that. We're gonna watch this. Mr. Belle like taking you step by step. Put it in like that. Just like that. Put it in. Okay, now that all the chicken is put in, I'm gonna close the top and I'm press start and let it cook. Okay, we're gonna lift this up together. We're gonna take a look at it. It's getting brown, as you see, it's looking good and everything. So I'm gonna just let that just go on and finish cooking. Okay, I have 10 minutes left. We're gonna take a look at it and everything. As you see, this looking nice, good and brown. So I'm gonna just flip this over one time, just like this. Just flip it, and I'm gonna let it cook them minutes out once I flip it over like this. Just let it cook it out and everything. Let it turn out to be nice and good. Flip it over. Okay, it stopped cooking, as you see, used up the whole 45 minutes, and that's looking good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this out and put it on the plate, and we're gonna test this out, see how delicious this is. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a taste of one of these. As you see, it's nice. Better yet, I'm gonna call my son over here, let him do the taste. He owed me one. Oh, go.
So now I'm gonna try one of these, what are these called?
Party wings.
One of these grilled party wings.
So as you see, this is my son. He's growing. Was different than the bandana. He was short and everything. If you check out that fries that we made together, you see the difference in him now. He's getting just a little bit taller than me, but he's getting up there. How that taste, son?
It's good. It has seasoning and it's cooked good. Cooking with the Bells. We did it again.
If you like it, leave a comment. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching.